Hey guys, so this is called a pet bottle, and once you see this it means that it's recycled stuff. So today is Friday, TGIF. I'm gonna remove the label and I'm going to throw away only this bottle. So today only pet bottles goes out and you have to remove the label when you're throwing it out. So just a tip for you guys, come in here. Ooh. It looks like it's gonna rain today. Should I check the weather? But it doesn't even matter because I always carry a small umbrella in my bag just in case, because sometimes the weather here is so unpredictable. I'm gonna put this in the garbage. I can't wait, I'm running across the road. I found this shortcut which I'm taking right now, and it leads me to my bus stop. I take the bus to go to work and not the train, which I'm very happy for, because in the mornings the trains are usually extremely packed. So I'm happy that I don't have to take the train. I hate vlogging in public. Yes, I'm happy that I don't have to take the train in the mornings, because that would mean that people would be all over me, because in Japan when the train is packed people are still going in the train. So even if there's no space, they're going to make space and push you. So that's the culture here. Anyways, I need to speed walk because I don't want to miss a bus. This is the final bus I can take to reach work a little early. I have the last bus that I can take, but that is like cutting it close, like reaching on the exact time. So windy. This is the train track. So the train is passing. Yeah, TGI Fridays, because I don't have any work over the weekend. So I'm happy. I don't have to think about work this weekend, but I got stuff to do. I'm going out on Saturday and Sunday, so I don't know if I can record, but if I can, then I'll record for you guys my day. Okay, so you are always going to see Japanese people running, but since I've gotten here I also run, because sometimes you want to catch the train or the bus, and if you don't catch that train or bus, then you have to wait like 10-15 minutes depending on the time of day that it is. So now I understand why the Japanese people are always running. So right over there is my bus stop. My bus is not here as yet. This country sure loves dogs. Anyways, my bus is over there, I think, but it's like almost 5 minutes late, so I'm not sure why. Oh, I guess he's gonna come now. That's not my bus. Where is my bus? This bus is 12 minutes late. It has never been this late before, so I don't know what happened today.
Yeah, guys, there.
Hey guys, so work is officially over. I'm heading home. It's Friday, but I have work later on for my part-time job. But this morning the bus came about 14 minutes late, 12 to 14 minutes late, which means that when I reached work I was 1 minute early. Literally, the teachers from my school who were on the bus, as soon as they came out the bus they had to run to reach the staff room. Yeah, car just passed me. Yeah, another thing, so whenever I'm at work, well, I don't understand the physics behind it, so persons who did physics, please help me. So whenever I touch metal objects, so the doorknob, my desk, the pipe, I'm always getting an electric shock, which is super annoying. The train is passing. Actually, two trains. That's the JR train that goes to Tokyo, and the other one, yeah, as I was saying, so I get an electric shock every time. It only happens in winter. So I was doing some research and there some atoms thingies. I don't know, I'm not good in physics, but what I need to know is how can I stop it, because every time it shocks me I'm jumping, because it's electricity and it's so freaking annoying. So I have to be tapping on the surface before. How can I stop this thing from happening to me every darn time? It doesn't happen at home, it only happens at school. So I mean, I don't know what going on. Anyways, I'm going to head to the convenience store because I need to get some cleaning stuff, and also I'm almost out of water. No pictures, but who's gonna know though? Oh, I need to look for some lip balm. Konnichiwa. Chicken ichi. Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. ありがとうございます。お気をつけてお待ちくださいませ。Chicken. I'm gonna microwave it, eat it, and prepare for my lesson for later on. Yeah guys, so I'll catch you in a bit. I'm back on the road. I went for my scarf because it's 9 degrees and I'm cold. The place that I'm going today, it's pretty close by to me. It's about 30 minutes including my walk to the station and the walk to the school. Yeah, Japan is all about walking, guys. Walking. You're always walking. I have made it home. I have a lot of stuff to do. I have to pull out my hair, have to wash my hair, wash this hair, and then crochet the hair back on my head. Yeah, plus I need to edit this video. Yeah, a lot of stuff to do. Fun times. I'm gonna take out the garbage because I know this morning I took out the bottles, the pet bottles, but tomorrow is Saturday and tomorrow it's burnable garbage and plastic garbage, so I have to take those out from tonight because I'm not getting up early to take them out before the garbage truck comes. But they said that you're not supposed to take out garbage in the night, so but I see my neighbors doing it, so I'm not the only one. Anyways, come with me, guys. Made it. I'm paranoid. I have to lock my door even when I'm taking out the garbage. I'm not sure. Ooh, might come, you know. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get things done right now. So I'll see you tomorrow if I can. I'm not sure tomorrow because I'm going to the club tomorrow, maybe, if I can get everything done. Yeah, so I'll catch you in the next video, guys.